I'm Brittany with WTI, and I know I'm not alone, but it's really hard to find a sports bra that's going to give you the support that you need. This high-impact VFUS sports bra is awesome. It has great coverage. I just love the thick band on the bottom of the base layer of the sports bra. The mesh allows so much breathing. The high quality seams. It's got some padded cups in there. It allows you to have still a little bit more shape with the support. It has seams separating the pads so that they don't get mixed up. Then it has a top layer that has two straps and a zipper with a clip in the front that allows you to clip it and easily zip it up. You can wear them together, which is great if you want to open up your jacket. It offers so much coverage, so much support. It's so comfortable. You can wear the bottom layer by itself. It gives you so much support. Again, it's so comfortable and gives you so much coverage. You can run, jog, hike. The top layer also can be worn by itself, which is great because it doesn't have the razor back, so it doesn't put any pressure on your lats. It's so comfortable if you want to relax or sleep in it. And then again, you can put them both together and you can have that full coverage, extra support, be completely modest so that even if you want to take off the jacket or shirt that you're wearing, you don't have to worry about feeling uncomfortable. It not only gave me the support that I needed, feels so comfortable, but it also looked good too. And that's my point of view.